Let's be honest, most of us feel stuck at some point in our career. We know we want to grow, but then questions like what should I learn next, which skills actually matter, or where do I even start popping off. That's exactly where SimpliMentor comes in. It's an AI-powered career coach built by SimpliLearn, and it's designed to give you clear, personalized career advice instantly. You can ask it anything, whether you are just starting out or already working in tech, marketing, finance, it does not matter. It can help you in any field. Today I tried it out for the data analytics field, and here is what it gave me. I started by asking simple questions. Can you give me a 3-month roadmap to become a data analyst? And in seconds it gave me a week by week learning plan. It told me what skills to start with like Excel, SQL, Python, which tools and platforms to learn like Power BI and Tableau, what certifications can actually help in landing a job, and how to balance theory plus hands-on practice every week. Next I asked it, can you suggest some project ideas to build my portfolio? It didn't just give random examples, it shared practical real-world ideas like analyzing a public data set, creating dashboards from scratch, reporting business insights, all tailored to what hiring managers are actually looking for. Then I typed in, give me resume tips for a data analyst role, and it gave me proper structured advice. What to highlight, how to write bullet points, how to structure the resume for ATS system, and even how to stand out without fluff. Lastly, I asked it, how should I prepare for a data analyst interview, and it gave me an instant checklist with common interview questions, tactical topics to revise, and even suggestions on how to present your projects confidently in front of recruiters. So yeah, SimpliMentor is not just some generic chatbot, it's like having a personal career coach in your pocket 24/7, guiding you based on your goals, your timeline, and your skill level. If you are feeling stuck or even just want to plan your next move better, give it a try. The link to this AI coach is in the description. Start with one smart question and let it guide you from there, because sometimes all it takes is a little clarity to move forward. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.